What's going on? My name is Chad. I'm your Tall Tailor, and welcome to episode 2 of my series on this channel called DIY Designer, where I take designer pieces or pieces that I like or I think that are cool, and I try and remake them with my own twist on them. For this episode, we are doing the Loewe bandana shirt. I actually first saw this shirt on Playboy Cardi's Instagram, and I thought it was really cool because I started to see it on other celebrities like A$AP Rocky. As just a collection of bandanas into a shirt. It's gonna look really unique when you try and match it with different outfits. Before this shirt, I heard about the company Loewe because they made bags, and I actually didn't know they made clothing, so that's kind of cool that they make that kind of stuff. But enough talking, enough rambling, let's get to sewing. Alright, so all my bandanas are dry. The white, blue, red. The red one gave me a lot of trouble. I'm not sure if you can see, but the color kind of bled into the white portions, but that's okay. All these different colors here, I'm going to take the iron, just iron them flat, and then I'm going to put these on top of the pattern. The bandanas are nice and smooth, nice and flat, so now I can get to putting these on my pattern. Off camera, I made a pattern for my dress shirt. So here I have the back of the dress shirt and the front, sort of similar to the other video I made where making patterns. I'm just gonna go decide which color of bandana I'm gonna use for the back and the front, and I'm gonna do the same thing for the sleeves and the cuffs and the collar and all that stuff. After much deliberation, I have a placement for the back. The back right is gonna be a large white bandana. The left is going to be the sort of like a pinkish salmon color, and I'm going to put an orange bandana on the top. I'm just going to chop off the excess bandanas and probably use that for other parts of the shirt. Alright, so the bandanas have been set in place and they've been sewn. Now I'm going to take this pattern and cut out the bandanas. So that's the back portion cut out. I did cut out the side portions of the bandana. I thought it would look a lot nicer if the paisley patterns just touched and then the blank spaces in the middle just look kind of whack, you know? I think this looks a lot better, so I'm just gonna do it like this. I finished the back, the yoke, which is kind of like the upper back portion, both of the front parts of the shirt. I just need to do the sleeves, the cuff, and the collar, and I actually have no more bandanas, so I just gotta go get some more bandanas. You can see the sleeve pattern here. It's a little bit smaller than the two bandanas, so the excess I'm just gonna cut off. Alright, so all the parts of the shirts are finished. The back, the yoke, the collar, the sleeves, and the front. Now the fun part, I'm gonna go sew all this stuff together. Alright, so I just finished sewing the front, the yoke, and the back together. This is what the front looks like with the bandanas. And this is what the back looks like. Here's the back, here's the yoke. Now I just need to sew on the sides and the sleeves and the rest of the stuff. One sleeve done. Alright, so both sleeves, that's one, that's two. Both sleeves are on now. I just need to add the cuffs, the collar, the buttons. And we're done. I really like how this shirt turned out. It looks amazing. It actually looks 10 times better than I originally thought. I switched up the collar. I made the collar sort of like a Mandarin style collar, and the cuffs, they're a little bit longer than usual because I don't know, I like longer cuffs. I think that look kind of dope. Yeah, it's a dope fit. It's right here. Yo, I'm actually gonna put this on. Hold on. I had a lot of fun making this shirt. I haven't made a dress shirt probably I think I've only made one dress shirt in the past before. That was one of the first shirts I've actually made. So it was definitely good because I got to refresh a lot of skills I had for making a shirt. It's really soft. Well, because it's made of bandana, it's made of cotton. One thing to know about this shirt, because mostly the red bandana, it still bleeds even though I tried to cut down on that. So I'm definitely gonna have to hand wash this when it gets dirty. And it's also really, it's really sheer because it's made of bandanas. I probably should have made this a little bit earlier in the year when it was warmer so I could actually wear it outside. It's fall right now, and just going outside to film this, it was freezing cold just wearing this. I don't know how much use I'm gonna wear this right now. Next year, I'm definitely gonna be wearing this, busting out a lot. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys guys so much. If you guys like this video, make sure to drop a like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. If you guys like this series and like the stuff I make here, let me know other designer pieces that you want me to recreate in the comment section below. Thank you again for watching. Bye.